Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup claim status screenshots for your records. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your smartphone or computer and navigate to the claim status page. Take a screenshot of the current claim status by using the appropriate method for your device. On most smartphones, press the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. On Windows, you can press the print screen key or use the snipping tool. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and 4 to select the area you want to capture. Once the screenshot is taken, a notification or preview will typically appear. Tap or click on it to review your screenshot. If everything looks good, it's time to save your screenshot. On smartphones, you may automatically find the screenshot in your Photos or Gallery app. On Windows, open Paint and paste the image using Ctrl+V. On a Mac, the screenshot will usually be saved directly to your desktop. Next, give the screenshot a meaningful name for easy identification. Organize your screenshots into a designated folder for your claim records. Create a new folder on your desktop or in your documents labeled Claim Records. Drag and drop your screenshots into this folder. Consider backing up this folder to an external drive for additional security. You can also use cloud storage services for greater accessibility. Upload the folder to your preferred cloud service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Ensure your internet connection is stable during the upload process. Once uploaded, verify that the screenshots are accessible from your cloud account. Regularly check your backup to ensure your records remain safe and updated. Now, you have backed up your claim status screenshots efficiently and securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.